Welcome to the MMT studio. I'm Christina Fugis with MoldMaking Technology, and today I am here with Chad Root with Fast Heat by Spark Industries. Hi Chad, how are you?
Good, how are you?
All right, let's get into this.
Okay.
So hot runner control and molding machine integration is a hot topic. And tooling managers are taking notice because many companies are using the molding machine hot runner controls to run molds that are too big for the number of zones available on the machine.
Correct.
And this can cause leaking molds and wear, burnt and spinning material, unnecessary peak amp draws, uncontained scrap, operator confusion, and inefficiencies. So,
all true.
My question to you, what are some other molding machine integration ideas that can protect the hot runner system and the molding machine, reduce scrap, and help keep a log of events?
Of course, you can use a standalone controller, which is a specialty item as compared to a controller that might be an injection molding machine. Might work fine up to a certain number of zones, but definitely more general in scope, whereas a standalone controller is going to be more specialized.
Okay.
So things like peak energy consumption, managing tools, proper expansion, precise temperature control, you're going to get a better solution with a specialty product. The issue has been, we don't like to have a lot of auxiliary equipment around the press if we don't have to.
Right.
So it was a compelling idea. Hey, if we can put the hot runner controller right on the machine, why not?
Yep.
So a lot of people have kind of chosen to try that path. We're getting calls from the tooling managers saying, hey, we have a brand new machine that only has 24 zones of control. We need 92, or we need more zones. Can we use your controller and the machine? And we say, well, of course you can, but there are risks.
Yeah, but
there are risks. So when it comes to starting a tool up properly, eliminating wear within a tool, making sure that the steel expands properly in the right order, controlling energy consumption, and of course just proper control of the tool during process. So a lot of our customer base have chosen to take our controller and integrate it with the press through contact relay, I/O communication. So if the press goes out of auto, we automatically idle the tips from our controller. They automatically boost the tips back up when they go back into auto. So any alarm we have, we can send a signal to the press or to the robot or to other things. So we're going to integrate using I/O communications. So what we've come up with recently, though, is an option that kind of gives the best of both worlds. So if you can imagine, I bought a press that has 24 zones of control. I need 48 or 96 or whatever. Wouldn't it be great if you could just plug in more?
Yeah.
So that's what we've come up with now. It's called Mod 24.
Okay.
So that's our recent invention.
And is that what you've been slammed with this week?
Yes.
It's getting a lot
I think
of
I gave that
attention?
presentation yesterday about 50 times.
That's awesome. So now you know it by heart. That's awesome. Anything else going out there in the marketplace that you're noticing lately?
We're doing some specialty solutions. So we look for niche problems and come up with niche solutions.
Okay.
So we've actually collaborated with Zyger Industries. Came up with a heated, fully tapered machine nozzle. So as a hot runner controller company, you think, well, how do you get involved in that?
Yeah.
We want to make sure the melt gets to the hot runner system in proper order.
Okay.
So if it doesn't get to the hot runner system properly, controlling temperatures in the hot runner system really isn't do much good. It's already bad. So we go all the way back to the screw. We work with Zyger to sell screws, especially screw applications, check valves, heated machine nozzles. So we're focused on just solving problems.
So talk to me a little bit about that partnership, or how did that relationship happen to then develop a product for a pain point that someone's having?
I started selling some of their products to some of my customers because they were asking for it. They would say, hey, I'm using nylon, it has glass in it, I'm wearing out my check valves, can you find me a solution? So I found Stan Glover at Zyger and started using his solutions to solve those problems, and we started talking more about a fully tapered nozzle with the old Fast Heat style of technology for heating it. So it's a fully integrated sleeve heater, it's a swedge construction, lasts forever, great heat profile, it solves a problem. So nylons, whether glass-filled nylons, polycarbonates, anything that might get hung up in a nozzle, start to burn or cause specking, it's a great solution for it.
I love how you collaborate to problem solve. That's what happens all around this industry.
Absolutely.
That's the way things get done.
We even shared a booth.
Ah, you did share a booth.
We did.
Okay.
Yep.
That's the utmost then, right? Then you're getting customers for both of you and developing products.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you. Oh, my last question for you. So you know that we are, or maybe you don't, we're celebrating 25 years.
That's right.
So this is our commemorative top 10 reasons to be a mold maker t-shirt, but I want to ask you, what excites you the most in mold making for the next 25 years?
You know what? Molds make money. That's why you buy a mold. You're going to use it to produce a part. You're going to make that part over and over and over again. It's economy, right? I think tooling. I ran a tool shop for 6 years. I used to obviously sell hot runner systems for fast heat.
Yep.
Spent a lot of time in a lot of the tool shops. I love the environment. I love the smell of it.
Yeah.
I love all of it. You know, so I mean, it's just part of who we are. It's our DNA.
I love it too.
Yeah.
All right, well thanks Chad, thanks for your
Thank
time.
you. Yep.
And for everything mold making, visit moldmakingtechnology.com.
Awesome.